Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. We're going to do more with path and learn more about the interpreter to get to it through the DOS prompt. So let's just jump into it. But beforehand, let's make sure we're clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell, because we're just going to be doing more and more and more videos, and I don't want you missing out on anything or getting behind, because I know what it feels like to get behind and try to get caught up, and I want you to learn Python. I want you to learn programming. I don't want this to be overwhelming. That's why we're doing these little short videos. And also help me out and either click the like button or leave comments. I want to make sure that I'm making videos that are helpful to you. That's the whole purpose of this channel. So alright, let's just jump into it. So if you do not have a DOS prompt saved, you go to your start and you type in CMD, short for command. So alright, I'd also recommend you getting a shortcut here. So alright, if we type in Python right here, wow, okay, I get an error, right? Now I want to show you this. If I go to where my Python everything is located, I look at my directory or subdirectory or file location, however you want to think about it, and I type CMD, I get everything pulled down through here. If I type in Python, lo and behold, I get my prompts, just like in our idle. So I'm going to show you how to do this so it will pull up from anywhere. So no matter where you have a file, you can go and run Python and it will execute that file. So alright, let's dig into this. Let's close these down. So okay, just like before, go to path, type in path, get our environment variable, open this up. Alright, so let's zoom in. Okay, so click path, edit. Now, I did this on purpose because we were only using pip. I didn't want to overload you. So we did pip because that's where pip was located, right here. Now we're going to do how to get to Python, its directory. So now we're going to come over here. That goes to that. So I want just this. So copy, new, paste. That is exactly it. Now, OK and OK and OK, that's the same thing as save. So alright, either go back down here, type CMD, or open up your prompt. Now, lo and behold, last time when we typed in Python, we didn't get anywhere because it had an error. So alright, just so you can understand what this path does, so I'm going to touch on a little bit more because I didn't get it when I was learning. It just didn't make sense to me. So alright, this is what I want you to think about. Oh, let me show you how to quit this. So okay, you can type quit. You guys know that because that's a function right there. You know what functions looks like. Or if you're lazy like me, Control Z, and you're back to your prompt. So okay, this is how I want you to think about it. So let's look at this. Let's pull these back up. So okay, when you're here and you're typing whatever, because this is a command, this is an instruction, this is a go do this. So the way path works is it will take this bit of information that you're going to give this command, and it will go here and goes, okay, is Python in here? And this is pulling up an exe file. Don't want to get too off into the weeds, but an exe file. Is it here? No. 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 Boom. Here it is. I get it. And same thing with pip. It will come here and go through and goes, aha, that's that. So now, very, very soon, and actually, I think we're going to do it next video, because we already showed you sys, the import, the module sys. So now, next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to be able to run a script from the prompt. That Python is actually, we're going to do this like we're running a program, where we're just going to tell it to run Python, then we're going to tell it, we're going to be in the directory, and we're going to run that program where it is, and we'll touch more on this. So I hope you guys are getting something out of this. Thanks for watching. And I really, 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 really implore you, make sure we're clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell, because we're doing a lot of good stuff, and I want this to be your one place where you don't have to look for anything. If you're stumped, I want you to come here and I want you to find it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.